Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. So this channel is all about showing you different opportunity, either free or paid, to make money. All right. So guys, today I want to show you how you're going to claim FST free airdrop. All right, and by I think January, this FST is going to be listed on PancakeSwap at $1 per token. Yeah, $1 per token. All right. So now, what you need to do is just to copy this link right away. So this link is going to be under this the description of this video, and also if you're in my group, is also going to be inside my group right as well. Okay. So then, what next thing you're gonna do is just to uh, install your Trust wallet and make sure that you have little fund in your Trust wallet, right? So then once you have little fund on your B as a BNB on your Trust wallet, then all you need to do right now is just to go to dApps, right? So you go to dApps right here. So once you click on dApps, so you're gonna see this where it puts this search box, right? So all you need to do just to paste the link there right away. Okay, well, once you paste the link there, so you click on done, then it's gonna load. So this is Firefox free airdrop, right? So this Firefox free airdrop. So the next thing you're gonna do right here is just to change this icon, the Ethereum icon. You're gonna change it to smart chain. This is the smart chain, right? So you're gonna change it to smart chain. Then we are waiting for it to loading. So still loading. So it has changed to, can you see that has changed? So you must change it, all right, because we are transacting with BNB, that is my chain, right? So then I can just go walk through the platform, what they want to do, their project, everything, right? So I also advise you on any free airdrop that you might join, try to join their Telegram, at least join their Telegrams to be seeing the information that is going on and on there, right? Okay, so then as you can see, this guy is going to, so they have 59 days left to claim this airdrop, because by 1st January 2020, that's next year, it's been going to stop the pre-sales. Pre-sales means those that they want to buy with their money, but I'm not interested to buy this any coin with my money. I prefer, since they have free airdrop, so I prefer to claim to get free airdrop. And since one thing about this free airdrop is that you can claim it as many times as possible. If you have the transaction fee that you're going to use on Trust Wallet, right? So instead of buying, so I prefer to for example, now if I want to get 250 FST, I'm gonna pay like 0.01. If I want to get it like from free airdrop, I know I'm not gonna spend up to that, because I'm just going to pay the token as a transaction fee to Trust Wallet and get it for free on their platform right here. So now, so these guys, so then the next thing I'm gonna do right here now is just to come to the claim 10 FST, right? So claim 10 FST, then it asks us to connect, right? So click on connect. Once you click on connect, so I think it's loading. All right, so can you see? So it's loading right now. All right, cool. So it has been, so you can see that it's already load. So then the next thing you're gonna do, if you have some BNB, as I said right before, so because we're gonna pay 0.003, right, to claim this free airdrop. So then what you do right here is just to click on approve. Now you have done the transaction, finished the transaction, it has been approved. Then so though you are going to still get a notification that it has been executed. But then while we're waiting for the notification, then you can quickly go to our information that we have right here and copy the contract address to show. So this is the contract address. So all you need to do is just to copy this contract address right here. So let me just click on it and copy it so that you can see what we just try to claim. Then you're gonna click on this place to go back. All right, so once you go back, then you're gonna come to these two lines right here. Then you're gonna click on this place. Then You're gonna scroll down. Then you're gonna see add custom token right here. Then click on add custom token. Once you click on add custom token, then the network right here, you're gonna change that Ethereum to smart chain, right? You're gonna change it to smart chain. Then you're gonna click on paste right here. That is the we just pasted the contract address that we copy, right? So you can see that all this has been populated right here. Then the next thing, you're going to click on done right here. So then it's going to show us how many token that we claimed. Done. All right, so you're going to show it. You can see this is 10 token. You can see that it just credited us 10 free airdrop. So now I can claim it 1 time, 2 times, depends on how much. So like once I stop this video now, I'm going to claim more, right? So that is it. Then guys, if you want to make more, because if you tell your friends, like if you tell your friends about this stuff right now, so this is what you're gonna do. If you want to make up to like $400 after once they get listed. And remember, if you have 400 coins, right? If you have 400 coins, tokens, it means you're gonna earn like $400, right? So it's very simple. So this is what you're gonna do. Just go back home. I want to give you that secret. Just go back home, and scroll down. So as you can see right here, all you need to do is just to click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see copy right here. Just click on copy right there. Then, go back to that. So go back to that link, because you want to tell your friend. Because you know what? If you tell your friend, let's say you have 40 friends and you tell them that claim this free stuff, claim this stuff. As they claim their 10, you get you get more 10 coins. You get 10 more airdrop. So if you tell 40 guys, 40 of your friends, it means you're going to get 400. That is 40 multiplied by 10 is 400. So then once you're on the link like this, all you need to do is just to scroll down. Then you're going to see create a referral link right here, right? So your wallet that you copy on your Trust wallet just now, you're going to paste it right here. Okay, once you paste it right here, then you're going to click on get referral link. Then once you click on that, so you're going to click on copy. So just copy it and send it to your friends. You can share it on via WhatsApp, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter if you have a Twitter, right? Anywhere you can, that you can share it with your friends. Like if anybody sign up through this link that you share with them, you also get 10 free FST as well. Okay, so if you have like 40 people, so you're gonna get like 400, and when you get listed in January, then you're gonna get $400. So that is how it works, guys. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. If you are new to this channel, please, I want to click on subscription button, click on the notification bell, so that whenever we drop a value content like this, you'll be one of those YouTube's gonna notify that, and then just drop another bomb on his channel. Thank you very much.